In the world of DIY enthusiasts and home decor aficionados, few objects possess the charm and versatility of the humble mason jar. Originally designed for preserving fruits and vegetables, mason jars have evolved into a beloved icon of rustic elegance, transcending their practical roots to become an essential element of creative home projects. With their transparent bodies and easily customizable lids, these jars offer endless possibilities for imaginative decor and smart organization. Here are some decor and organization ideas using mason jars. One. Flower vase. Fill mason jars with fresh flowers or dried blooms and place them as centerpieces on tables or countertops. 2. Fairy lights. Wrap fairy lights around mason jars to create whimsical and glowing decor for weddings or events. 3. Candle holders. Insert pillar candles or tea lights into mason jars for a cozy and rustic ambiance. 4. Lanterns. Hang mason jars with wire handles and place votive candles inside to create enchanting lanterns for outdoor spaces. 5. Wall sconces. Mount mason jars on the wall with wooden brackets to create unique and functional wall sconces. 6. Terrariums. Build small terrariums inside mason jars with succulents or moss for a touch of greenery indoors. 7. Photo frames. Cut out photos to fit inside mason jars and use them as personalized photo frames. 8. Chandelier. String together mason jars with lights to craft a stunning chandelier for a vintage-inspired look. 9. Table centerpieces. Arrange mason jars with candles, fairy lights, or flower petals for charming centerpieces. 10. Snow globes. Create winter scenes inside mason jars with miniature figurines, fake snow, and water. 11. String dispenser. Transform a mason jar into a functional string dispenser by drilling a hole in the lid and pulling the string through. 12. Wall planters. Mount mason jars on a wooden board and use them as planters for herbs or small indoor plants. 13. Rainbow display. Fill mason jars with colorful beads or buttons and arrange them on shelves for a vibrant display. 14. Candy jars. Decorate mason jars and use them to store candies or treats for a cute and functional candy bar. 15. Message center. Attach mason jar lids to a chalkboard or corkboard to create an organized message center for notes and reminders. 16. Table numbers. Paint mason jars with table numbers for a unique and stylish seating arrangement at events. 17. Wall art. Arrange painted mason jars in a pattern on a canvas to create a stunning and three-dimensional art piece. 18. Bathroom organizer. Use mason jars to store cotton balls, Q-tips, and other bathroom essentials in a stylish and organized manner. 19. Ribbon dispenser. Stack mason jars with spools of ribbon inside to create a functional and decorative ribbon dispenser for your craft room. 20. Nautical lanterns. Fill mason jars with sand, seashells, and a candle to craft charming nautical lanterns. 21. Pet treat containers. Decorate mason jars and use them to store pet treats or pet food while adding a personalized touch to your pet area. 22. Wedding favors. Fill mason jars with homemade jams, honey, or bath salts as delightful wedding favors for guests. 23. Utensil holders. Use decorated mason jars to organize cooking utensils or flatware during parties or gatherings. 24. Makeup storage. Use mason jars to store makeup items like brushes, lipsticks, and eyeliners on your vanity, creating an organized and chic makeup station. 25. Toy storage. Use mason jars to store small toys like Lego pieces or puzzle parts, keeping them organized and easy to find for kids' playtime. 26. Kitchen organizer. Use mason jars to store dried pasta, beans, or grains on open shelves in the kitchen, adding a rustic and organized touch to your culinary space. 27. Jewelry organizer. Hang mason jars with wire or hooks on a pegboard or wall to store and display jewelry, adding a charming and organized touch to your dressing area. 28. Key organizer. Attach mason jar lids to a board and use them as key holders for a farmhouse-inspired entryway. 29. Dessert gifts. Layer ingredients for cookies, brownies, or cake in mason jars and gift them with baking instructions.